Good morning to all of you children. Please pray. Children, have you received a message or due to network problem, class got interrupted? Please confirm me. Have you got the message from your class teacher channel on Saturday? Samriddhi, I'm unmuting you. Kindly speak.
Yes, sir.
I was discussing with you all question number 11, describe distribution of volcanoes, and by that time there was a network problem and I tried to fix that problem, could not do that. So to the office I sent a message. Have you received, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that class will be compensated today. Is that clear? Tuesday, today we have a regular class, children, and today that Saturday's extra class will be compensated at 1:15 p.m. Clear to you all? Samriddhi, this message have you received? Kindly give me a confirmation, children, that today will be extra class in lieu of the Saturday's class that got interrupted due to network issue. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. So I'm beginning with the new chapter, and in the extra period or just after completing this class, few questions are left. I will discuss that question so that you can complete it. Very few questions are left, children. I will do that. Otherwise, we have full one period at that place, at that time. So earthquakes. Now, after going through the chapter volcano, I believe earthquake, you will be able to understand the phenomena of earthquake and its occurrence, how it occurs, and what are the issues, what are the underlying causes. Abhika, you have any question? I will, at the last, I will give you time. Okay, raise the hand in the last 5 minutes. So, what are the reasons that we will discuss today? Okay, children. So, what is earthquake, children? Earthquake is the feeling of shaking. When the ground shakes, you experience. If you are, if you remember 2015 in Gorakhpur also, at that time I hope you were very quite young, smaller than now. So I don't think that many of you have experienced, but you must have heard. You must have heard that there once in Gorakhpur also people experienced the earthquake in 2015. Children, so it is basically due to the shaking of the earth or the shaking of the ground which we feel, and it feels that the ground is moving beneath us. So how it causes, how it occurs, what is the main zone of where it occurs frequently, and definitely it is a hazard, natural hazard. It is a problematic thing, and the most important thing is that it is beyond our control. We cannot predict. We can, at present, the science, with the help of the science that I'm going to explain you, we will be able to know that there is a possibility of earthquakes in this region or in this belt, but nobody can predict the timing, date, nobody can. Still, we have not found any mechanism through which we can find that one. Anyway, so beginning the chapter with the definition. Children, I request all of you to switch on the camera. There are so many students, but still many students have not switched on the camera. Please do it. Children, so what is that earthquake? Any sudden vibration or movement of a part of earth crust result by natural or man-made stress. Now you will say, sir, man-made, we are also causing earthquake. there are certain instances, there are certain uh, case studies which tells us that due to certain structure made by man, earthquake was experienced, or that there are certain, if you check the list of the earthquake, deadly earthquakes in the history of mankind, especially the recent past, you will find that there are certain earthquake which is said, or who, so the cause of that earthquake is that is related to the man-made structure. So if you are doing something and that is causing earthquake, definitely we are responsible. So this is a new addition, that sometimes earthquakes are caused by man-made structures also. That is why natural or man-made is written here. Clear to you, others, William? Yes. Resulting in violent tremors or shaking. Violent tremors or shaking, it may last up to few seconds, but it is enough for huge destruction. And trembling is called earthquake. So you can define earthquake in your own words also. Basically, it is a shaking of the earth crust, a part of that. You all know by this time, children, by this time you all know that earth crust is not a single entity, but broken into small pieces. That is called tectonic plate. Is it clear? Achintya, Vibhunath, clear to you? Earth crust is divided into small pieces. That is earth crust. Clear to you? That is tectonic plate. Do you remember? Tectonic plate I'm showing you. Still the map is here in the system. Yes, please see. Our earth is not, our earth crust, especially that lithospheric part, is not a single entity. You can see different parts are there. So when they are joined together, these plates, as I told you, that they move. An earthquake is experienced just at the boundary, at the junction, at the boundary. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Yes. Varnika Singh, you can leave the class and talk. Leave. Yes, better you leave, better. If you are not interested in studying, after a few days you have your examination, still you are not serious. And this is only second period. It is not an extra class that you become lethargic. Akshita, are you getting it? So these plates are there, and the boundary of these plates, where these plates collide or slide past, there occurs the earthquake. Okay? Anyway, so this is one example I am giving you just to tell that the earth crust is not a single shell, but just like a coconut shell, it is a single shell. Just imagine that that shell is broken, and the broken part is called tectonic plate or plate. That broken pieces are called tectonic plate. Clear to you all? Amrita Divedi, clear to you? Tectonic plates, that pieces of earth crust. Earthquake can also be defined as a shock or series of shock due to sudden movement of crustal rock generated at a point known as seismic focus. Anyway, let us see the mechanism of earthquake. Is that clear? Children, actually where the earthquake origin or where the earthquake is generated due to this is the surface, earth surface. Clear to you? This is the earth surface. Just below the earth surface, the origin the origin point, a point of origin where the earthquake is generated, that is called the focus or seismic focus. This is called the focus. Just above the focus, Parthivari, are you able to understand? Just above the focus, on the surface, on the surface, on the surface, just above the focus, that point is called epicenter. The place of origin where the earthquake originates below the surface of the earth is called seismic focus or simply focus. Place just above the focus on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Clear? At epicenter, the earthquake is the experience or the magnitude of the earthquake is maximum. A maximum shaking take place in very common understanding. I'm telling you, common, very simple manner. At epicenter, maximum tremor or maximum shaking is experienced. Clear, children? So these two things are there: seismic epicenter, epicenter and seismic focus, or simply focus and epicenter. So which point is on the surface of the earth? Epicenter, just above the focus. Children, see, now this is epicenter. As you will keep moving away, maximum destruction. Winston Rawson, are you able to understand? Krishna, Adarsh, Saif, are you getting it? Listen carefully. Maximum destruction at the epicenter, and as you move away from the epicenter, as you move away, the magnitude decreases, or you will feel less shaking. Ranveer Raj, are you getting it? Gorakhpur experienced earthquake. Where was the epicenter? Where? Kathmandu, Nepal. Clear to you? Suppose that 300 kilometers. 300 kilometer was the center, was the epicenter. There the waves started, earthquake waves. We felt the tremor. We felt the tremor. What, imagine how much they felt. How much people living in Kathmandu felt. So much. Understood? So as you move away from the center, epicenter, that earthquake intensity decreases. Okay? Okay, fine. If this point till here it is clear, kindly raise the hand, children. Okay, thank you. Put down the hand. Children, the earthquake waves which is generated, the earthquake waves which are generated are called seismic wave. Note down, seismic waves. And an instrument which records, if I can show you, I'm just showing, wait a minute. Seismograph. Please, when you see it, you visualize it better. See, children, seismometer, a seismograph, Can you see this? You must have seen in some films, Hollywood film and all. Have you seen? Earthquake is recorded and it is just like a machine printing on the graph paper. So the wave generated by earthquake is called seismic waves channel. Are you able to understand? And the instrument which record it is called seismometer or seismograph. Children, seismometer simply record, seismograph print it on the paper. That is the difference. Clear to you, Parth? This graph paper is attached and seismometer print the earthquake waves. Print that occurrence of any kind of tremor or earthquake. Clear? This is the machine. Note down. The science which study the science of earthquake or the science which study about the earthquake is called seismology. Page number 68. These points are given, very important. Left side bottom. Note down. Children, so this is a natural disaster, as I have told you, and it is a catastrophic event. So many life and loss of life and property already occurred due to this earthquake. And I'm telling you that we've experienced very high magnitude earthquakes. For example, 1970, 31st May in Peru, South America, 66,000 people died. Then 1976 in China, Tangshan, 250,000 people died. So may I give you one example that whether the plate movements are really giving you a clue. May I give this example? Peru's position you want to see? Once you will see this, you will come to know, yes. See, children. South American plate is colliding with the Nazca plate, Antarctic plate, and here only this earthquake occurred in Peru. You can see it is at the boundary of the two plates. At the boundary of the two plates. Then India also in Gujarat 2001 on 26 January. It was the day of Republic Day celebration was going on in India. This was experienced. 30,000 people died. So children, and the very latest 2004 that occurred in Sumatra, Indonesia, that led to devastating tsunami. Have you heard that once there occurred a tsunami? I hope before your birth, prior to your birth, children, have you heard ever from your parents that once tsunami also occurred in India? Once India was affected by the tsunami? Yes. South India, many people died, children, many people. Lakhs of people in total. About 227,000 people died. Many people died in India also. And I told you that I have seen this tsunami live. Television was showing at that time. I have seen it. Okay. Anyway. And very high magnitude occurred, 8.9 to 9.3. Undersea earthquake. Undersea earthquake. Now, let's come to the causes of earthquake. This is clear to children? Clear to you all? Focus below the surface where earthquake occurs. Just on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Maximum intensity is here only. Arpita, you can leave the class or study properly. Don't do 2-3 work together. Children, please see causes. We have just done volcanic eruption. I have explained you that volcanic eruption, what are they? Any confusion in that? Volcanic eruption, first, children, please see page number 69. Volcanic eruption, volcanoes, we have just completed that chapter. Pooja, Winston, yes, Ruchi. Can you see this? Anshika, volcanic eruption is the first cause. Second, folding and faulting. This is new to you. I'm going to explain that. Plate tectonic, map of the plate I have shown you. That movement of the plate where the boundaries are there. Where these boundaries, understood? Plate are colliding, earthquake occurs. Anthropogenic factor, write down, note down there. Anthropogenic factor means man-made factors. The factors made by us, note down. Anthropogenic means man-made factor, children. Note down. Anthropogenic means man-made factors. So volcanic eruption number 1, folding, faulting, third, plate tectonic, fourth, anthropogenic factor. Children, as I told you that volcanoes, how volcanic eruption is also caused, are also called by the plate tectonic plate movements. Whenever the volcanic eruption takes place, there is a possibility prior to that earthquake will also occur. Prior to that, sometime after volcanic eruption, earthquake occurs. That is the, you can say, combined process. So volcanic eruption is one of the main cause of earthquake. Volcanic earthquakes are caused by gas explosion. Sometimes a very devastating volcanic eruption takes place, and then sudden shaking of the earth also, the ground also, side by side. And most commonly, just before the volcanic eruption, when the huge amount of material is about to be thrown, when the huge amount of material from inside the earth, below the earth crust, about to be thrown, a tremor occurs. Okay? So, earthquake and then volcanic eruption. Many are there. There is a very famous volcanic eruption, children, Krakatau volcano, long back. Krakatau, it is again in Indonesia. I'm telling you that it's such a huge explosion took place, children. Such a huge explosion that its impact was observed near about 13,000 kilometer, 12,800 kilometer away. Just imagine. And after that, tsunami occurred near about 30 to 40 meter high tsunami. 36,000 people got killed. Krakatau, very famous and devastating volcanic eruption that led to tsunami also, earthquake also. Okay? And I have shown you the tephra, ash I have shown you, Channel, you remember? A volcanic ash and tephra that is thrown out in the atmosphere that reaches so far, up to hundreds and thousands of kilometers each reached. Just imagine such a devastating volcanic eruption and then that series of earthquake also. Second thing, children, folding and faulting. What is folding and faulting? Listen here. See. Suppose that these two are part of lithosphere, part of our earth crust. Clear? Sometimes due to pressure, it bends. Folds occurs. Folds. Sometimes folds occur, and sometimes due to pressure, it gets cracked. The slabs get cracked. Channel, are you able to understand? Listen, if you have a rubber, Channel, listen. If you have a, suppose that this is a duster made up of brittle material. If I will put pressure, what will happen? Unmuted Channel. If it is brittle, what will happen? Channel, where you gone? Anybody else? Others, would you like to tell? Yes, unmuted others.
Good morning, sir.
If I am putting pressure on it, and if it is made of brittle material, what will happen?
It will break.
It will break.
Either it will break or it will
Listen,
break.
before breaking, something will happen. Crack will develop.
Yes, sir.
Crack will develop.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the case. Chalk. Crack is developed now. Crack, but it's still joined. So you can see the crack.
Yes,
Crack you can see.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Imagine this is called fault. Crack is already there. Imagine this is fault, and it is continuously in motion. Means
Yes.
any kind of pressure is being exerted on it. Now along this fault, along this crack, children, I am giving you example with the help of a chalk. It is not chalk, but it is your earth crust, part of the earth crust, thousands of kilometers wide, thousands of kilometers long. Understood? So earthquake occurs where there is a fault, where is a fault line, where there is a crack. Second, there is a possibility it is made up of flexible material. Suppose that this wire, and I am putting pressure, see, it will bend. Folding occurs. Understood? It is now bent. Folding occurs. It depends upon the underlying material. There is no special category. It depends. At presently, what I mean to tell you, what I want to explain you, that a fracture in a rock along which there has been an observable amount of displacement is called fault. Or simply the cracks that I have told you, that is the fault. Now, earthquake occur when movement of earth takes place along the line of fracture. This line of fracture whichever places are located, you will get earthquake. When the movement occur, the places along this will experience earthquake. The places along this fault will experience earthquake. Understood or not? Just imagine there are two slabs. Listen, Parth Tiwari, Winston. Two benches in your class. On one bench, two students will stand. Other bench, two students will stand. Okay. Both benches are joined. On one bench, students are standing. Another bench. Now, if the bench will move, what will happen? If the bench will move, the person who is standing on the top will feel tremor or not? Will feel shaking. Will feel that ground is shaking. That is the fault. So where there is a folding or faulting and cracks develop, there occur the earthquake. Very famous St. Andreas fault. Children, those who are interested in, many of you used to see Hollywood movies. There's a very famous movie also, St. Andreas. Have you ever seen St. Andreas? It is made on that, on earthquake. St. Andreas fault in California. Okay, I would like to show you. Please see it, children. St. Andreas fault. I hope you will understand that better. You will visualize it. Can you see, children? St. Andreas fault. Can you see? There is a big fault still. Now, if there is any kind of shaking, you can just imagine California state, you see, United States of America, California. Such a big fault. Just see San Jose, San Francisco, Hollister, Parkfield, Smither, Simler, Franzire Park. Everywhere earthquake will occur. St. Andreas fault is running from here to here. Can you see? Now the towns nearby will feel tremor and earthquake. So in 1906, one earthquake occurred there. Children, such earthquakes are called tectonic earthquakes. Plate tectonics, the third cause is plate tectonic, children. What is plate tectonic? That the earthquake which occurred due to the movement of the plates. I would like to explain you with the help of that diagram on your screen only. See, children, the earthquake that is caused on the boundary. I want to use different color. Yes, on the boundary by the movement of plates are called that earthquake is caused. The earthquakes which are caused by the movement of plates, especially on the edges, Nazca plate, South American plate, edge means joint, exactly kinara, where these two joint edges, that is due to the plate tectonic. Either plate collide or slide past. Either it collide or slide past, move like this. In all the cases, earthquake occur. Where there is a weakness. Pacific Ring of Fire is a perfect example of earthquakes around that. Pacific Ring of Fire, this region is a perfect example. And many more. Now, the last and very interesting is anthropogenic factor, children. Anthropogenic, man-made factor by you or me. Now, children, what will tell me one thing? This is a reservoir. This is a reservoir for the dam. So much water is filled. Have you seen a reservoir? Have you seen a dam reservoir? Anybody? No. You should see. Please see this. Children, please observe this image. Can you see the reservoir now? This is a dam. This is an example of dam. Can you see this? Samriddhi? This much water is there or not? This is the reservoir of the dam. Understood? The flow of water is controlled by this dam. Are you able to understand? Aniskruti Srivastav? The flow of water is controlled by this dam. Huge billions of gallons of water is now filled here. Understood? Is it putting a pressure on the land or not? Akshita, is it putting a pressure on the land? Pooja? Abhay, Pratap, are you able to understand? So much water is putting pressure on the land. So what will happen? Will it not destroy the balance? Will it not disturb the balance? Parth Tiwari, will it not disturb the balance? Such type of activity comes under the anthropogenic factor. And there are instances like many dams and reservoir which were constructed for you can say this hydroelectric power generation, some blasting of the rocks by dynamite, some kind of nuclear explosion that led to the earthquake sometime. Example, in India, 1967, there was an earthquake in district of Maharashtra, Koyna, and that reservoir was constructed in 1962 and earthquake was experienced in 1965. Just imagine, due to this. So these construction of dams, excessive pressure on the land is also one of the cause. Children, next we will have the measurement of earthquake. Earthquake is measured on a scale, mostly on a scale that was made by a scientist, okay? And is known as Richter scale, page number 70. We measure earthquake on Richter scale. If you have heard anywhere, there in that country, in that city, earthquake was experienced. Magnitude was 6.3, 5.4, 7.1. These all measurement is done on Richter scale. Clear? Is that clear to you? He was a very famous and learned seismologist. Who are called seismologists? Who are seismologists, children? I have told what is seismology. Yes. One student want to answer, Dev Mishra. Yes, Dev. Who are seismologists?
Sir, which are expert in the field of seismology, which is
Or
a
you can
science.
say earthquake scientist. Simple language.
Yes.
Earthquake scientists. Those study about the earthquake. And later on, some modification was done. That this scale was devised in 1935, and later on his friend Benno Gutenberg did some modification. Children, this scale tells us the magnitude of the earthquake. The higher the magnitude, the more devastating it will be. Children, one more thing I want to tell you, very important. What is this channel you would like to give answer? What is F1?
Focus.
Focus 1, focus 2, focus 3. This is the surface of the earth. Okay. The deeper, the shallower is the focus. Listen carefully. The focus shallower. The focus as near to the surface. If as near to the surface focus is located, more devastating will be the earthquake. Understood? Understood? If the same magnitude of earthquake, suppose that 5 or 6, 6.1, 6.1 earthquake occurs here, here and here. Maximum devastation here, less least. Understood? The deeper is the focus, less will be the effect. Shallower is the focus, higher will be the effect. Note it down. So, In Richter scale, minimum or maximum is not fixed at present. So, but we have experienced earthquake. You will find up to 9. It is written here 8.4, but more than that also experienced. We have experienced. Now, intensity of the earthquake. The intensity means how much intense, how much powerful earthquake is there. Who is the most important on earth, children? Which species is the most important? And according to you, who is the most important on earth? Rudransh, yes.
Good morning, sir.
According to Rudransh, who is that?
Sir, we only, sir, humans.
Human life is the most important, children. So the devastation is measured on children. We will discuss. I will give you a question answer. Do not leave the class. I request you all. Before the time gets over, many students start leaving. That is not a good habit. So children, on the basis of the devastation, on the basis of the casualty that occurs due to earthquake, we measure the intensity, that this much intense it was. Damage caused to building, dams, bridges, and other structure. After the casualty, after the loss of human life, we can count these things also. Distribution of earthquake from here will continue. Distribution of earthquake in the extra class will continue. Note down the question and answer, children. Note down. Question 11 we have done. Describe the distribution of volcanoes. Page number 67, all of you open. Page 67. Describe the distribution of volcano, page 65. We have done that one. You have to describe all these 4 points. That is the circum-Pacific belt. Third, 3 points, mid-Atlantic and mid-continental. 3 points where they are located. And you have to describe about them. Little bit. Okay, Dev Mishra? Little bit describe about them. All 3. Okay. Distribution of earthquake. Where they are, sorry, distribution of volcanoes. Let me correct myself. Distribution of volcano. We are doing question and answer of volcano chapter. That was disturbed on that day. Okay. So you have to describe all 3 points. Okay. 3 points, that is ring of fire, circum-Pacific belt, page 65, then mid-Atlantic belt, and then mid-continental belt. Question number 11, that was the last discussed question, page number 67. Answer is given on page 65. Now explain in brief how volcanic eruption is caused. Explain in brief. Page 65. Page 65. 64. Causes of volcanism. 64. Just below that, the volcanic eruption are closely associated with, page 64, the volcanic eruption closely associated with sea floor spreading, plate tectonic, mountain building process, etc. Now full stop, full stop. After that, note down, I'm telling you, note down. The movement of tectonic plates, comma, intense pressure of the overlying rocks, comma, percolation or the water percolation through the cracks combinedly led to the ejection of hot molten material through the weak points of the earth surface. Through the weak points of the earth surface, which we observe as volcanic eruption. This is the shortest possible I can give you. Classify volcano on the basis of their intensity. Page number 66. Content in brief. Content analysis. Point number 3. It is given, children. Note down. Active volcano, dormant and extinct volcano. Done. 3 are there. Where do volcanic eruption generally occur? Give 2 examples. Where do volcanic eruption generally occur? Give one example. Sorry. Note down. Volcanic eruption generally occur where sea floor is spreading. Very common. Atlantic Ocean, I'm giving example. Others. Clear? Atlantic Ocean, where sea floor is spreading. Where sea floor is spreading near the plate boundary. Where sea floor is spreading near the plate boundary. Example is written here. Southern Antilles, Lesser Antilles, any you write. Southern Antilles, Lesser Antilles, Azores. It is given on page number 66, first paragraph. Page 66, first paragraph, it is given. ANTI, LLES. Antilles. ANTILLES. This spelling you can check from page 66 also. Okay, next and the last one. Give one example of active volcano. You can give Samriddhi easily. Active example. Many are there. You write Etna, you write Stromboli, you can write. Many are there. Okay. Active volcano example you want to give. Write Stromboli. 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 Stromboli is good example. Stromboli. I hope it is done. We have done. Explain the following term. Samriddhi, we have already done. Explain the following term on that day. Distinguish between, we have done. Distinguish between. Draw the diagram I have told you. Give reasons. Left. Give reasons. Note down. Deva will unmute you better. 2 minutes, please wait. Okay. Give reasons. Earthquakes are closely associated with volcano. Note down, because both are caused by the movement of tectonic plates or simply plates. Both are caused by the movement of tectonic plates. of plates. Lava activity is profitable to man because lava plateaus are rich in minerals. Because lava plateaus are rich in mineral. Lava plateaus are rich in mineral. You can write any other answer also. Is that clear? It is up to you. You can, if you want to write Dev, Parth, understood? Anikrustuti, Khushi, are you listening? And any other benefit also you can write. Okay, children? One very easy I have given you. Circum-Pacific belt is also called ring of fire because a large number of active volcanoes are present in this region, because a large number of active volcanoes are found in this region, are present in this region, whichever way you would like to write. A large number of active volcanoes are present in this region, found in this region. Volcanoes have constructive effect in favor of man. Volcanoes have constructive effect in favor of man. You can write a very good one I want to like to give. Yes, please note down, because it is associated with geysers and spring, because it is associated with geysers and spring, which are useful from health point of view, Okay, children, volcano have constructive effect in favor of man because it is associated with geysers and spring, and since you know that some of them contain sulfur content are there, and which is helpful for human health. The last, Mount Vesuvius in Italy is dormant volcano because its activity was recorded Mount Vesuvius, that is a dormant volcano, because it remained, you can write, it remained dormant for about 1500 years. Easy answer. Or its activity was not recorded for last 1500 years. Okay, it remained dormant for 1500 years. It remained dormant for 1500 years, or its activity was not recorded for last 1500 years. Okay, both way you can write. So this was the end of the discussion. Chapter 7 question answer is over. Is that clear? And you will complete it by today. Please try to complete it by today. Questions are there. Winston Rawson, unmuted.
Sir, question answer second one I have not written.
Which one?
Second one.
How are volcano caused?
Yes, sir.
864. Causes of volcanoes. Causes of volcanoes. The volcanic eruptions are closely associated with the seafloor spreading, plate tectonic and mountain building process. Full stop. Yes, Ranveer.
Sir, any incoming earthquakes can never be predicted by any scientific method. Sir, why is that?
We don't have any mechanism. There are certain way that some animals' behavior are studied. Some
Yes, sir.
animals' behavior in China and some other places. In Japan, they use
Like cat, sir, cats are showing behavior like that before earthquakes.
just with some animal behavior. I have heard that in Japan, a kind of fish they keep in their home, they start become irritated or they show a different behavior before earthquake. But pinpoint prediction is not possible till now. Never. Dev Mishra.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I have to ask that you have said that epicenter is a point from where maximum earthquakes it releases waves. So, sir, it is like nuclear explosion. Like it is also releasing waves. only.
Yes, you can say. You can say. Yes. Shita.
Sir, you have told in the previous class that you will be uploading the link of the previous class which was answered.
You ask your question next class, not able to hear. Your voice is breaking completely. Your voice is breaking. Change the place where you are sitting. Go in a good network area. Not able to hear anything from you. Ask another time in the extra class. Channel.
Sir, can you please repeat the question number 12?
Question number.
I was
Your voice is breaking. Yes. Channel.
Sir,
Not able to hear. Ask in the last period. Okay.
sir, can you?
Voice is breaking. Channel. Ask in the extra class. Rishabh.
Sir, please repeat the 12th answer.
Which one?
The 12th one.
I have just. You have not read.
No, sir, I have wrote it only half. I
Anybody
couldn't
has?
hear
Samriddhi,
properly.
have you noted down? Samriddhi, please read. Read. Unmuted. Easily. Read. Read.
The movement of tectonic plates, intense pressure of the overlying rocks, water percolation through the crack combinedly lead to the ejection of hot molten material through the weak point of the Earth's surface, which we observe as volcanic eruption.
Once more. One more time, so that he can write easily. Easily. Little bit slower.
The movement of tectonic plates, intense pressure of the overlying rocks, water percolation through the crack combinedly lead to the ejection of the hot molten material through the weak point of the Earth's surface, which we observe as volcanic eruption.
Okay. Winston. Yes. Winston. Unmuted Winston.
Sir, question number 4.
Question number.
4.
Name the 4 major type of volcanic eruption. I have written on the board. Have you not noted down?
No, sir.
Note down. Icelandic first. Icelandic. Icelandic. Icelandic first. Second, Hawaiian. Hawaiian. Hawaiian second. Hawaiian. Third, Strombolian. Associated with the active volcano, Stromboli. Strombolian. Strombolian. And the last one, Plinian. 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 Last one, Plinian.
Okay, sir.
Children, please join the class at 1:15 p.m. At 1:15, all of you join. Thank you.